Hi, my name is Tally, and I'm interrupting my spa day to give you a message about my pet human. Get out of here, Brat. It's my show now.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
Aw, you guys are snuggling. They don't usually do that. They usually, this one irritates this one, and this one lets her know who's boss, don't ya? Yeah. So, I just want to let you know, I have a very busy nap schedule today, but I decided to take a break from it to let you folks know that my pet human will be having a live... I said it was mine. My channel today. Not fair, is it? But it's my channel. So I interrupted my busy nap schedule and spa day to let you folks know that my pet human, Brenda, will be doing a live stream. And we are actually announcing this one and scheduling it ahead of time. It's got lots of updates and lots of new information to share with you. So it will be Saturday, May 5th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Get out of here, Brat. I'm the star of this show right now. I've got napping to do and you're interrupting me. Is it not fair? No, it's not fair. I think she's pouting now. So, you may or may not see me during this live stream because this is exhausting. I may have to nap some more. And I might have to go back and nap right now. And my pet human needs to get back to brushing me. Doesn't she? Yeah. This brush works amazing. An awesome person sent it in. And it works so good at removing all that matted under hair, doesn't it? Well, I can't brush you if you keep sniffing it. Excuse me while I purr. So, Saturday, May 5th, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to see my pet human, just make those funny noises she makes at you, please stop on by. She will be doing a live chat with lots of little updates. And feel free to tell everyone how cute I am. Okay, thanks for watching. My pet human says thanks for watching. The little brat says thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.